The next video. In today's video I will show you how to pick images inside your Flutter application from photos or camera roll without any third-party library. And I have already made this video like in my on my channel, but the reason I'm making a new video on this, like, this is specifically for Android, and for Android you can pick images with and without permission. I think the last video which I made was without using any permission, so I will show you how to make picky photos using both with and without permission. So yeah, I'll show you a demo first. So I have two buttons. First one is for picking images without any permission, and second one is picking images with permission. Here you can see. Now I will press second button. I will allow all the permission, and I will just select an image, and here you can see I have selected the second image. So yeah, let's get started. So firstly, I want to tell you that once we pick an image and once we have an URI for that image, I have tried it displaying using that image.file, but unfortunately it didn't work for me. That's why I have to create a native view for displaying the image as well. But if you know what I'm doing wrong over here, do let me know. So as usual, I have refactored our homepage widget to include a method channel for picking images. Next, I have created two URLs for two buttons, and here I have created two buttons for it, text button 1 and text button 2. And here you can see for the first one I am calling pick image without permission, and for second one pick image with permission. And from that you will get an image URL, and I am setting it to our variable. And here once the image URL for first one is not null, I am setting it to an image view, my image view. Similarly, I am doing it for the second one as well. Unfortunately, the image.file is not working for me. Also, one thing which I notice is that suppose I press the first button, I pick an image, then I press the first button again, you will get the image URL again, but this native view is not getting updated. I think you might have to wrap it inside a stream builder or something. So yeah, just be careful with that. I think wrapping it with a stream, I haven't checked it yet, but wrapping with a stream builder should work. Even though I'm using set state over here, I think given that this is a native view, it is not re-updating itself when you pick an photo for the second or subsequent times. So yeah, be careful with that. And here inside my image view dot, I have just defined written the boilerplate code for picking an image. Again, this is only specific for Android, not for iOS. So for iOS I already have a video on my channel, so you can check that out. Next, inside build.grid, we have to add this three dependencies. So coil is for displaying image URLs inside an image view, and these two are for using the register for activity launcher and all that stuff. Next, go to android manifest.xml, and here you will have to add read media images as well as read external storage permission. Next, here inside main activity.kt, firstly, so these two permissions are not required if you are using the first approach of picking images without permission. This is only required for the second approach. Next, inside main activity.kt, I have first refactored our fragment activity to flutter fragment activity. Flutter activity to flutter fragment activity. Next, I have defined our method channel result. I have registered our image view over here. Next, inside method channel, I have called image picker platform, and here I have first called pick image without permission, and second one is pick image with permission. So here I am just launching our new photo picker, and for pick image with permission, if you are using Android T or above, then you will have required read media images, whereas for the below versions of Android you require read external storage. And here, so this is the code for reading images, picking images without permission. So as you can see, so here we are using image only, and once we get the URI, we are sending it back to the Flutter side. And this is the code for picking images with permission. Here we are first requesting the permission of reading those images. Once we get it, we are launching a new photo picker with permission, and here you can see I am sending the my type as image slash star, and here I am sending it back to the flutter side. And inside, so for defining our image view, so as usual I have defined a factory class. Like this is a boilerplate class which you have to write. Here I have written our my image view, and inside my image view dot kt, as you can see I have just defined an image view, and inside in it, once we get the URI from flutter side to the to native side, we'll just call the load method of the coil library to load it inside an image view. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye. I think sorry, one thing which I forgot is, make sure you are using Kotlin version 1.8.20 at least. So yeah, that's it. Thanks. Bye.